just finished a full day workshop with the leadership team of an multinational company that we've worked with previously in the past as well, with their IT leadership team. And the focus of our workshop today was how the interaction between the individuals shapes the culture, and how the culture in turn shapes the value addition that happens to the marketplace. I love what Lou Gerstner, the man who's credited with the turnaround of IBM, said. He said, an organization is nothing more than the collective capacity of its people to add value to the marketplace. I love these words. An organization is nothing more than the collective capacity of its people to add value to the marketplace. And every company wants to have some sort of initiative in place which helps them improve the value they can add to the marketplace. But I believe the work begins 2 layers deep. It begins with the self, the individuals, who are sitting right in the middle with their mindset and their skill set and their ambitions and their desires and their likes and their dislikes, etc. And then the self is constantly interacting with the teams and the culture. Okay, and the culture is impacting the self, and the self is also impacting the culture. So there's a fluid exchange happening between these 2 levels at all times. The culture is shaping how the individuals behave. How individuals behave is shaping the culture. And what happens is, at the 3rd stage, customers and stakeholders come at the 3rd level of it. So if there's great customer service, there's great customer focus, there's great ownership, etc., it's because somewhere the people who are driving this organization have clarified their values, know what they stand for, and then they've been successful in creating a culture of high performance, and then the results automatically percolate to customers and all external stakeholders. So this was the simple model was the main subject of our discussion today with this leadership team, focus largely being on self-development. We spent a big chunk of the day on developing the self, on understanding what peak performers do differently, what is the mindset of peak performers, and what can we learn from them. We also did the start, stop, continue exercise post all this discussion to help these people reflect on what are the new initiatives they would like to start, what are the old habits they'd like to get rid of. So a lot of introspection in the sense that by and large I do keynotes. 80% of my work is keynotes, short interactions with large audiences, but workshops also allow me the space and the time to go deeper into certain core components. So that's what we had the opportunity to do today. We made sure that was very engaging, interspersed with team building activities and other sort of icebreakers. Great result overall, and I think I'm best equipped to help your organization deal with leadership issues or leadership development, culture and culture development, self-development and growth mindset for individuals, if that is the focus of your organizational development needs. Innovation, we have a wonderful workshop on that, which is called the Innovation Mindset, Developing an Innovation Mindset. And additionally, customer centricity. Since I come from a hospitality background, I'm very passionate about people taking charge to make sure that they follow things through, that the customers get a wow experience regardless of whatever domain that company might be in. So we do workshops around that as well. And of course, one of the things that I enjoy the most is customizing solutions for unique problems that you or your team might be facing. So if you feel that is something of interest to you, do reach out and visit our website, which is www.simerjeetsingh.com, and you'll know more about our programs, or write to us at info@simerjeetsingh.com, and me and my team will do our best to help you out with that. Thanks for tuning in.